Hey everybody, it's Brent Laster from Tech Skills Transformation here with your We Love Open Source AI Tech Tip of the Day. So today we're going to see how to do some things with AI in a way you may not have thought about, and that is by doing some image analysis. Now you've certainly heard about turning things into cartoons and such like that, but what about taking images of code and having those analyzed? So let's take a look at a simple example here. In another tab, well in this tab I've got Claude open up here, and in another tab I've actually got a picture. You can see it's a user developer picture1.png file. .png file with a simple function. Now of course we could have much more complex functions and such to work with and try out, but I want to keep something very simple, very obvious here for the demo. So I've got this. I'm going to go back to Claude and I'm going to tell it just to take a screenshot, and I'm going to have it take a picture of the picture. So we'll have it take a picture of this tab that we have, which has the file open. So now you can see I've got the attached screenshot there. And let's go ahead and tell Claude and have it say analyze the attached image for any potential issues or improvements. Notice I'm not calling out that it's code even. I'm just telling Claude go off and look at this and tell me what could be problematic or what could be improved. And you can see right away it comes back and says, hey, this is a C# code snippet, and here's several potential issues and improvements. A critical issue, division by 0, which is exactly right. That's one of the things there. But also the things I like that it does is when I ask it to do improvements, gives me a couple of different tips here, adding input validations, adding documentation, and even some alternative approaches, all from just a very simple image. In fact, a screenshot of an image. So you can see that AI has gotten very sophisticated in being able to process these things, and you can easily take screenshots of things. In theory, you could take a screenshot of a debugging session and put that into the AI and have it analyze as well. In fact, Copilot has a Copilot vision functionality that claims can do that. I haven't tried that large of a test yet, but certainly it seems like the AIs can do some pretty amazing things in detecting what's in the image and being able, if it's code, to give you responses back about what could go wrong, how to make it better, and so on, which is really a cool trick, I think, and a cool feature to have when you are a coder.